In this clip, I'd like to show you how to format your message content to make it look a little bit more interesting. In this example, the company is introducing a new project scope format. Now I pasted that format into the message, but it looks a little bit bland and I want to make it a little bit more interesting. Now notice the basic text options are lit up on the toolbar. So I could use those, but let me show you a couple of tricks. Let's go ahead and select the title. Now notice that the formatting options box appears. It gives me additional options that may not be available in the basic text. For example, I can add styles. Styles are a great way to add consistency in your formatting. I'm going to go ahead and apply the title format to the title. In our first section, we're going to use the heading 1 style. Now our additional sections, we want them to look consistent, so I'm going to add a heading 2 style to each of those. I'm going to pause for a moment and format the rest of these for us. Now if I'd like to call attention to other text, I can use some of the standard formatting options. So I'll make this bold and italicized. And once again. This should draw the attention to this. Now if you have content that needs to be a bulleted list or a numbered list, you can also do that as well. I'm going to select that and choose the bulleted list from here. So just as you can format in a Microsoft Word document, you can do all of the same formatting within an Outlook message. Now keep in mind, this requires the person receiving the message to have HTML activated in their email. Otherwise, it'll come across as plain text. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.